Updating your credit card on Whizlabs is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Whizlabs website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select payment information. In the account settings menu, find and select the payment information or billing section. This is where you can manage your credit card details. Step 4. Update credit card details. Click on the option to edit or update your credit card information. Enter your new credit card number, expiration date, and security code as required. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new credit card details, make sure to save the changes. Look for a confirmation message to ensure your information has been updated successfully. By following these steps, you can easily update your credit card information on Whizlabs. Keeping your payment details current ensures uninterrupted access to your services.